Before the factory wakes, the orchard begins the work. Steel meets bark. Precision before power. A season's patience breaks loose in seconds. Gravity does what hands can't. Gravity does what hands can't. Every load gets a name before it gets a destination.
Measured here, traced everywhere.
Traceability starts with a simple sticker.
Bulk becomes controlled cargo.
Secured loads travel farther than promises.
The road is the first conveyor. From field to shade, handoffs that never break.
Paper and product move together.
A sealed load is a protected story.
Every mile compresses time.
Inside the plant, the route is already written.
The factory doesn't wait, it flows.
Motion begins before the almonds arrive.
And now the harvest meets the machine.
The road ends here, into the belly of the plant.
From gravity to speed, the flow is controlled. The first separation, noise turning into order. Waste removed early saves value later. Air becomes an invisible hand. Even dust has a destination. The clean stream keeps moving.
Machines protect what mouths will eat.
A single decision shapes the next hour. Stored briefly, so the line never starves. Consistency is built one measured flow at a time. Protection isn't optional, it's engineered. Upward motion feeds the next machine. Dust settles when moisture leads. Upward motion feeds the next machine. Dust settles when moisture leads. Clean water carries away the field. Every byproduct is managed, nothing ignored. Heat prepares what pressure will finish.
Now the real transformation begins.
Steel waits patiently for the first crack.
Pressure replaces patience. Movement teaches materials where to go. Air finishes what rollers begin. The heart of the almond is revealed.
Vision replaces guesswork.
Elevation brings perspective. Flow pauses just long enough to breathe.
Surface matters as much as substance.
Now the almond is ready to be judged. Cleanliness isn't a stage, it's a discipline.
Inside, every kernel earns its place.
Speed is nothing without precision. The eyes of the line must stay sharp.
Every side stream stays traceable.
Control is a chain of small conformations. Even the smallest fragments are managed.
Clean lines come from clean corners.
Hygiene is rhythm, not interruption.
Cleaned and sorted. Now flavor and form begin.
Heat is where character is forged. Even tumbling means even truth.
Flavor is a controlled climb.
The heat ends, but the process doesn't.
Now the skin must let go.
Cooling logs in the work of fire.
A little moisture loosens the boundary.
The outside gives way to the core. Byproducts move as fast as product.
Now the line sees what humans can't.
Smoothness is a sign of control.
Byproducts move as fast as product.
Smoothness is a sign of control. Targets reached. Standards held. Cooling prepares the final handling.
Now the factory's smartest systems take over.
When data agrees, the factory accelerates.
Automation is a heartbeat you can measure.
Every kernel is scanned like a signature.
Efficiency is the reward of clean inputs.
Even the packaging begins as automation.
The fill must match the promise.
Measured portions, repeated endlessly. Mistakes are caught before they become problems. Correction is faster than rejection. Clean edges make strong seal.
Closure is the final lock on freshness.
Traceability travels with every unit.
Automation builds order at scale.
The product is complete, but the proof comes next.
Wrap tight, ready for the world.
Now we confirm what the machines already believe.
Now we confirm what the machines already believe.
Totals matter as much as details.
Stability is part of quality.
Safety is checked again, without compromise, and documentation is the invisible packaging. Now it moves under full control.
One lift becomes a final journey.
Every shipment still faces one last test.
The lab decides what the world receives.
Safety isn't assumed, it's proven.
Every batch ends with a departure.
Placement is as important as production.
The rhythm continue until the truck is full.
One pallet becomes many.
From orchard to container, every step accounted for.
From orchard to container, every step accounted for.
Quality isn't a feeling, it's a signed decision.
Data closes the loop.
The factory finishes inside, but delivery begins here. Order outside is as strict as order inside.
Security isn't extra, it's required.
The handoff is the final contract.
Sealed shipments carry trust.
A finished product never stays still.
What isn't shipped today is protected for tomorrow.
Storage is controlled time.
Retail is closed. A factory is a living system, quiet only for a moment. This is the result: clean, graded, and ready.
Stored with care, moved with purpose.
When the doors close, the journey begins.
And this is how modern factories produce almonds from start to finish.
From trees to trucks, the chain holds strong.